was announced in the June of 2015, I was instantly intrigued, and I knew I had to join. Even though it wasn't for high school students, I entered anyway because I really felt passionate about the technology and how it could help us as a society.
And so 2013, give us a perspective. What grade in school were you?
I think I was in 8th grade in 2013.
That's it's very impressive, and you're a senior now in high school.
I'm a senior now, yes.
So, this is pretty awesome to see this all come together.
Thank you so much.
How did you kind of work through some of the design challenges? You definitely are at a hindrance for some of the other competitors here and just general engineering knowledge. How did you guys come to be and even get this pod to exist?
So, as any engineers in any project, we face challenges, but we are very tenacious. We never give up, and we'll always find a solution to a problem, no matter how hard it takes. So, actually, during testing, we were having a serious issue with our air regulation system for our air bearings, since we're an air bearing levitation team.
Yeah, and this was testing this past week?
Right, this was the test week.
Okay.
And we spent 2 days searching for the answer, and we ultimately figured it out, and we were the first team to actually levitate in the vacuum chamber here at SpaceX, which is incredible.
That's pretty awesome.
So we're really excited, and we're really just determined to make this the reality, this future reality.
And how far along in the testing campaign did you guys actually get?
So we're actually eligible to compete in the Hyperloop tube, so the large tube over there. And we'll just have to see with scheduling how it goes.
Super impressive.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you are beating out a lot of your peers around here when you consider how far that came. How big is your team here?
So we're actually the smallest team with 6 members.
6 members, too?
Yeah.
Wow. Did you guys get a lot of help outside of that and building this pod too?
So we were never afraid to ask questions if we had any. So it was really designed and built exclusively by our team members. But for let's say we need to know information about batteries in a vacuum. We're not experts in batteries and vacuums, so we called a company who specialized in making batteries for space exploration. And so we're never afraid to ask for answers.
That's awesome. I had a very similar experience myself in college. You just kind of have to jump in and don't take no for a question.
Exactly.
And it's shown that you guys are able to come here and have a really awesome pod.
Thank you.
Of the other pods and everything you've seen here, any one team or 2 teams that kind of stand out to you that you really...
Well, the University of Washington we've collaborated so much. They've been such a great team to work with. Actually, in January, I was up there testing our magnetic arrays on their... basically, it was a spinning disc, aluminum disc, in order to get some drag profiles. So they're amazing. Their pod design's incredible, and they've actually done a couple of tests out here, so we're definitely rooting for them.
That's awesome. And then you guys are coming from St. John's is in Texas, correct?
Yes, we're from Houston, Texas.
How did you get the pod up here and bring the whole team?
Yeah, so we actually, one of our sponsors shipped our pod for us, and Nickelodeon actually took care of all the shipping for us.
Nickelodeon?
Yeah.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
So are they out here too for you guys?
Yeah, so actually the representative out here who's helping us for this past year just came by. So.
Super cool. And then what is your shell of your pod actually?
So it's actually made of carbon fiber, and it's just wrapped. So it's a wrapped carbon fiber.
Wrapped carbon fiber. On the inside you have, it looks like an aluminum frame here.
Yeah. So it's built to be entirely modular. We can take apart every single component.
Okay.
And so with that, assembly becomes very easy, and also material efficiency is very great because we can reuse components. We can ensure that if something breaks, we're able to easily fix it.
Right.
And so that's been our mantra the entire competition.
Smart.
Yeah.
Definitely can tell from experience that, I'm sure you've seen as well, if things break and engineering challenges, anything that you've seen break that you've had to swap in the past week?
Yeah, so actually the air system that we were having issues with before we broke 3 regulators trying to fix the problem. And so once we got those fixed, we were able to get everything back to normal and hover and actually levitate, which is really cool.
Awesome. So you guys are not able to get into the tube today because of scheduling and stuff like that. Are we expecting to see you guys come back?
Absolutely.
Awesome.
We may come back sometime between now and the next competition just to do some runs, but we're really excited about the future of this thing.
Very good. Very good to have you, and congratulations on making it so far.
Thank you so much.
Thanks. We're going to take a quick break here as well and wait for TU Delft's upcoming Hyperloop run as they depress rest of the tank. And we'll be back in a few minutes. Thank you.